Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 9 Joy Court in Mt Coolum. This flat, private, quarter-acre block is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and it's literally just moments from the beautiful Mt Coolum shops, beaches and National Park. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. This home was made for entertaining. If you can see yourself relaxing by the pool with family and friends in such beautiful lush surrounds, I highly recommend you come and look for yourself. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.